Good morning students, welcome to Sheba online class. Today we are going to see about the first chapter, exercise 1.7. Let's start the first sum. If 3 by 4th of a box of apples weighs 3 kg and 225 gram, how many does a full box of apples weigh? Okay, 3 by 4th of a box of apples weighs 3 by 4th of a box of apples. So one of the boxes there. So idhila vandu 3 by 4th of a box of weight is 3 kg 225 gram. Okay, how many does a full box of apples weight? Let's we find the box of full weight. Let's we find the box of full weight. Okay, then let the weight of a full box be x. Shall we consider? So idoda full weight vandu நம்ம x நம்ம consider பண்ணிக்கலாம். So first என்ன போடுறோம்னா x into the, so then 3 by 4th, x into 3 by 4th is equal to 3 kg 225 gram, 3 kg 225 gram. Next x into 3 by 4 is equal to, so shall we consider 1 kg is equal to how many gram? 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Then 3 kg ki ethana grams? 3 into 1000 grams is equal to 3000 gram. That's why 3 kg is equal to 3000 gram. So 3000 gram, sorry, 3000 gram, then 225 gram. X into 3 by 4 is equal to 3000 gram. The same gram la irukku, unit vandu gram same ah irukku, so the values we have to add it. 3000 plus 225 is 3225 gram. So then next x into 3 by 4 is equal to 325 gram. So then we have to find the x value. So 325 is அங்கே இருக்கும், 3225 இங்கே இருக்கும். So 3 by 4 ஈக்குவல் தாண்டி போச்சுன்னா 4 by 3 மாறிடும், into 4 divided by 3. So then x is equal to, we have to cancel it in 3 tables. 3 ones are 3 tens are, so then balance 2. In 3 tables 22 poguma pogadu, 21 in 7 times, in 1 3 5s are, next 1075 into 4, we have to multiply it. 1075 into 4 is 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are, what means 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2 30, 4 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3, then 4 ones are 4. Totally x is equal to 4300 gram. So we have to convert it 4300 gram number kilogram or gram, we have to change. So 4000 gram plus 300 gram setana varu 4300 gram varu. Let's start. 4000 gram we write 4 kilogram. 4 kilogram, 300 gram. So total weight of the, so total box full weight is x is equal to 4 kilogram 300 gram. Then the third question, Ravi multiplied 25 by 8 and 16 by 15 and he says that the simplest form of the product is 10 by 3. And the Chandru says the answer is the simplest form is 3 1 by 3. Who is the correct, or are they both correct? Both are correct, explain. Okay, the question is Ravi is வந்து ஒரு two products, two numbers வந்து நம்ம divide பண்ணும், so multiplication பண்ணும்போது he says the simplest form, the product, அதோட product என்னன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க 10 by 3 னு Ravi says, and the Chandru says the value was 3 1 by 3. Product பண்ணும்போது the value was 3 1 by 3. We have to find it, who is correct, who is, யார் வந்து கரெக்டாக சொல்கிறாங்க, or are they both correct, ரெண்டுத்துல எது ரெண்டுமே கரெக்டாக அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம we have to explain it. Okay, first Ravi multiplied Ravi is multiplied 25 divided by 8 and 16 by 15. Multiplied means this product. Okay, product symbol we have to write. And the who says? Ravi says. So Ravi says 10 by 3. So the value was 10 by 3. And Chandru says the value was 3 1 by 3. So we have to find it who is correct or are they both correct. Okay. So then next Ravi multiplied. So we have to multiply it 25 divided by 8 into 16 by 15. So you have to cancel it in 8 tables. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. Then 5 tables 5 threes are 5 fives are. Then the value was 5 into 2 divided by 3. 5 twos are 10. 10 divided by 3. So the value was 10 divided by 3. So we have to divide it 10 divided by 3. In 3 tables, 3 3s are 9. So the remainder is 1. So you have to change it Q R by D method. This is quotient, remainder and divisor. Which is quotient? 3 is quotient, remainder is 1 and the divisor is 3. So the answer is 10 by 3 also the answer, and 3 into 1 by 3, 3 1 by 3 also your answer. Therefore, both are correct. Then the fourth sum is find the length of your room whose area is 153 by 10 square meter and whose breadth is 211 by 20 meter. So we have to find the length value, and the area value is 153 divided by 10 square meter and the breadth value is 211 by 20 meter. So you have to find the length value. So length is equal to what? So over area A is equal to length into breadth square unit. Then the area value is what? 153 divided by 10, and then we have to find the length value into breadth value is 211 by 20 meter. So this is also the meter. So we don't write the meter. So then we have to find the length value. So multiplications la irukka 211 by 20 வந்து இந்த side வந்துடுது. So 153 divided by 10 whole divided by 211 by 20 is equal to length. So we rewrite length is equal to 153 divided by 10 whole divided by 211 by 20. Then we write length is equal to 153 divided by 10 then whole divided by, we have to multiply it, 20 into 2 is 40, 40 plus 11 is 51. So we write 51 divided by 20. So then length is equal to 153 divided by 10 into, so shall we reciprocal it. So இது வந்து இந்த சைடு மேலே போயிடுச்சுன்னா reciprocal ஆகிடும். So we have to write 20 by 51. So the value is 0 0 cancel, balance 2, then 51 ones are 51, 3s are 153. So 3 into 2. So the length value is equal to 3 2s are 6 meter. This is the values for the length is 6 meter. Then the 8th question is, if cube root of 1906624 into root x is equal to 3100, find the x value. So we have to find the x value. First நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும், இந்த cube rootல இருந்து இந்த values வந்து எடுக்கணும். So cube root of 1906624. So what is the values of cube root? So we have to take LCM. 1906624. So take LCM in 2 tables. 2 9s are 18, balance 1, 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Then again 2 tables, 2 4s are, balance 1, 2 7s are 14, balance 1, 2 6 are 12, balance 1, 2 6 are 12, balance 1, 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 2 6 are 12. Then again in 2 tables, 2 2s are, 2 3s are 6, balance 1, 2 8s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 tables, 1s are, 2 1s are, balance 1, 2 9s are 18. So 2 9s are 18. Then again 2 1s are 2, balance 1, 2 6 are, then 2 4s are. Then 2 tables, 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 2 9s are 18, balance 1, 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. In 2 tables, 2 2s are, balance 1, 2 9s are 18, balance 1, 2 7s are 14, balance 1, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are. Then இங்கே 1 இருக்கு. So have to multiply. You have to multiply 31 tablesல. 31 tablesல 961 வந்து இந்த values வரும். 961 இந்த values வரும். Then again 31 tables. 31s are 961. Then again 31 ones are 31. Okay. So we have to find out cube root. So இதோட cube root நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா என்ன வரும்னா cube root of 1906624 is equal to cube root of what is the value? So 3 2s இருக்கு, 3 2s இருக்கு, 321 இருக்கு. So 2 cube into 2 cube, 2 cubes இருக்கு. So 2 வந்து 3 times இருக்கு. So 2 cube. Then அதே மாதிரி 2 and 3 times இருக்கு, 2 cube. At the same 31 வந்து also cube 3 times இருக்கு. Then whole cube 2 into 2 into 31 whole cube. So இந்த root cube-உம் cube root-உம் இந்த cube-உம் வந்து cancel ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா balance value is 2 into 2 into 31. So நம்ம இதற்கு இந்த values எடுத்து நம்ம இதில் substitute பண்ணும். We have to substitute this values. So the value is 2 into 2 into 31 into root x is equal to 3100. Okay. Then root x is equal to 3100 whole divided by. So in the multiplications-ல இருக்கிறது அப்படியே போயிடுச்சுன்னா இந்த சைடு போச்சுன்னா டிவைட்ல மாறிடும். It becomes divided by 2 into 31. Then root x is equal to, so 31 tables, 31 ones are, 31 hundreds are 3100. Then 2 tables, 2 ones are, 2 50s are 100, 2 ones are, 2 25s are 50. So the value is root 5 is equal to 25. Next we have to take squaring on both sides. We get squaring on both sides. So root x whole square is equal to 25 whole square. So 2 and the square root should be cancelled. Then x is equal to 25 into 25. So the product of 25 into 25 is 625. Finally the value is x is equal to 625. So next ninth sum is if 2 power m minus n, when n minus 1 plus 2 power m plus 1 is equal to 640, then find the value of m. Okay, then 2 power m minus 1. So one of the conditions is that a power m minus n is equal to a power m divided by a power n. Let's we assume that conditions. So we write 2 power m minus n plus 2 power m plus 1. M plus 1. So we have to write this format. So 2 power, so என்ன வரும் 2 power m divided by 2 power m 1. Okay, so then next 2 power m plus n we write a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. We write a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. We have to assume this also that this way. So 2 power m into 2 power 1. Okay, so 2 power m and 2 power m வந்து இங்க சேமா இருக்கனால நம்ம காமனா வெளியில எடுத்தோம்னா 2 power m whole power வெளியில எடுத்துட்டோம்னா 1 by 2 power m 1. So 1 by 2 power 1 plus 2 power 1. So next 2 power m. So 1 power 1 by 2 power 1 is also 2 plus 2. Then we write 2 power m. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So 5 by 2 is equal to what's the value? 640. So 2 power m is equal to 640. So 5 by 2 வந்து equal தாண்டி போயிடுச்சுனா it becomes divided reciprocal amount into 2 by 5. We write 2 by 5. In 5 tables we have to cancel it. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, balance 1. In 5 tables 5 2s are, then 4 tables 5 8s are 40. Then 128 into 2 is 2 power m. So 2 power m is equal to 128 into 2 is 256. So we have to LCM it 256. In 2 tables 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 tables 2 6 are, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 tables 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Then 2 tables 2 1s are, 2 6 are. Then 2 tables 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are, then 2 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Totally 8 2s are there. So we write 2 power m is equal to 2 power 8. Okay. Then same base is there, you know. Same base is there. Same base anchina. So powers also the same. 2 to base also same anchina. Powers also the same. So m is equal to 8. So the value is m is equal to 8. Okay students. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.